Keeping it simple with one pocket hole at a time with the Massca Single Pocket Hole Jig Kit. We've created our newest Massca Single Pocket Hole Jig to keep pocket hole joinery simple. Our Massca Single Pocket Hole Jig set features our classic Massca Jig with one pocket hole instead of two. Its compact design allows for application in tight spaces where a small jig may be necessary. The Massca Jig can be a common tool used to master the art of woodworking, begin your DIY journey, or to make repairing wood joints in your home easier than ever. Thanks to its unique magnetic quick adjust base system, the design of the Massca Pocket Hole Jig provides rapid and simple operation to make it one of the fastest and easiest jigs available. No marking out is required when using the Massca Jig. Our jig features a built-in workpiece thickness scale, drill depth setting, and setup gauge for rapid checking of dimensions, fast operation, and quick drilling of joints. The Massca Jig features a hardened steel drill guide to supply long life. It also features a clamping magnet for easy use with metal clamps. The features of the Massca one-hole pocket hole jig are designed to allow the accurate drilling of pocket holes, making woodworking easier than ever. Use our pocket hole jig to create new pocket holes or to repair old or broken wood joints. The pocket joint involves accurately pre-drilling a pilot hole at an angle between two boards before connecting the two with a screw. Our Massca pocket hole jig will make this process simple and keep measurements exact. Perfect for woodworking and do-it-yourself woodworking projects, this set comes complete with a jig, drill bit, stop collar, and a hex key. The Massca Single Hole Pocket Jig Kit comes with all the basics you need to get started with pocket hole joinery. This set includes 50 of the most commonly used pocket hole screws, making it an ideal kit for beginners or pros. This set also includes a carry-on case for neat and efficient storage and easy transport for projects on the go. This Massca Single Pocket Hole Jig is designed for use with timber from 1/2 inch all the way up to 1.5 inch in thickness, or 13mm to 38mm. No matter if you're a beginning woodworker or a seasoned pro, the Massca Single Pocket Hole Jig is right for you.